Struggling to manage a growing media library on your WordPress site, where scattered files slow you down? WP Media Folder from JoomUnited already shines with its powerful organization, handling unlimited sites, batch uploads, and responsive galleries to save you time and streamline workflows for developers and agencies. But you can elevate it even further with the OwnCloud integration, a smart add-on that syncs your media across platforms, letting you store, access, and edit files from anywhere while keeping your site lightweight. This seamless connection boosts efficiency, secures your assets with cloud backup, and enhances collaboration, perfect for teams or clients needing real-time updates. Before diving into how OwnCloud integrates with your media folder, let's first explore connecting your WordPress to OwnCloud with ease. JoomUnited's developers have worked tirelessly to simplify this process, making OwnCloud a seamless part of the integration, rather than a separate extension requiring credentials, user secrets, or IDs. Complex steps that can feel overwhelming. Picture yourself as an everyday user. You just want to set up an account and start using cloud storage without wrestling with codes or numbers to make it work. Then I present you the OwnCloud integration. Here's how you log in and connect your OwnCloud with your media folder. First, head to your WordPress dashboard, click Settings, then WP Media Folder, and find the Cloud and Media Offload feature. You'll see options for various cloud services, but let's focus on OwnCloud for now. The fields to fill are refreshingly straightforward. Enable the connection, enter your OwnCloud username and password, paste your site's URL, and pick a root folder to sync between the platforms. That's it. Setup complete in just a few clicks. If you're still unsure, check the online documentation for a quick guide covering login and connection in 2 or 3 steps, guaranteeing a hassle-free experience. This simplicity saves time and gets your cloud storage running smoothly. Let's move to the integration next. After connecting and logging into your OwnCloud, let's dive into putting this integration to practical use with WP Media Folder. Return to your media library, where a fresh section called OwnCloud appears within the folder structure, complete with a cloud logo to set it apart from the rest. You might ponder where these synced media files end up once linked. Rest assured, they reside in the root folder you defined earlier in the settings. Glance at my setup. I opted for a root folder named Media Folder, though you can pick any name. Just ensure it aligns with your OwnCloud configuration. Switch to OwnCloud, and you'll find a folder matching that exact name, hold in files transferred from WordPress. Additionally, a separate folder visible only in OwnCloud's backend contains thumbnails generated for your WordPress library, keeping it organized and easing your workload since the bulk of storage shifts to the cloud. This setup streamlines management, letting you focus on content rather than clutter. Let's test it out next. Time to move beyond theory. Let's put this OwnCloud integration to the test with WP Media Folder. Start by uploading a new file, like a photo, directly to the OwnCloud section in your WordPress media library. Head over to OwnCloud to check, and there it is, appearing perfectly and neatly synced. Since this operates as a native integration, the media folder structure seamlessly extends to OwnCloud, mirroring your organization efforts. For a quick example, create a new folder within the OwnCloud integration, name it whatever you want, and add a color stamp for clear visualization. It feels simple with just a couple of files now, but with hundreds or thousands of media like videos or PDFs, a tidy, organized setup becomes essential. To achieve that, create multiple folders at once, rename them freely, drag them to different root folders for an improved structure, and adjust settings as if they're fully part of Media Folder, never feeling like you're just borrowing space from OwnCloud. This control keeps your library scalable and efficient. A valuable file shines when it's in action. Let's take these media files from OwnCloud and add them to a live page for your customers to enjoy the results with WP Media Folder from JoomUnited. Navigate to your preferred page builder, whether the native WordPress block editor, Gutenberg, or Elementor. Your creative space awaits. Drag the media folder block onto your page, then choose a file from the OwnCloud integration. It looks seamless in the back end. But what about the front end? Click Preview and wait a moment for the page to load. The file appears crisp and normal, blending perfectly with your design. How do you confirm it's pulling from OwnCloud rather than local WordPress storage? Open your browser's Web Inspector tool, a built-in feature, and double-check the file URL. It should point to your OwnCloud address. If it does, you've just boosted your efficiency by offloading storage, secured your assets with cloud backup, and enhanced collaboration as teams update files in real time. This streamlined workflow elevates your site. Let's refine it further. You've mastered connecting OwnCloud with WP Media Folder, syncing files, organizing folders, and publishing to live pages. Now imagine the future, where this plugin keeps your media library scalable as your business grows, secures your assets with cloud backups, and powers real-time collaboration with clients or teams, all while saving server costs. The base WP Media Folder plugin costs $49 a year, perfect for unlimited sites with robust management tools. Want the cloud add-on you just explored and the gallery add-on for stunning displays? Upgrade to the $69 a year option, unlocking everything to streamline your workflow and impress your audience. Wishing you luck managing your business. Head to JoomUnited.com to get started and watch your site soar. Like this video, subscribe for more WordPress insights, and let's build your success together.